Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I'll show you how to create the most beautifully reflective Aurora nails. Aurora nails shine differently depending on the viewing angle, but many people make the mistake of embedding the film in the wrong way, ruining the Aurora look. So in this video, I'll explain how to embed the film for maximum brilliance in an easy to understand way for beginners. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. First, start by applying a color gel as the base. To create Aurora nails, I recommend using a sheer color that allows your natural nails to show through. Blue shades work well, but purples and pinks look great too. I'll explain later too, but Aurora powders and films comes in various colors. So if you use different colors for the base and the powder or film, it enhances Aurora effect. For this tutorial, I'm using this blueberry color as the base. Okay, let's apply this color. Once you've finished applying it all over, cure it. Normally, 2 coats of color gel is needed, but for this Aurora effect, a single coat of color gel is enough to keep the clearness. Next, we'll apply a non-wipe top coat. We'll be rubbing Aurora powder on next, so prep your nails by applying this top coat to create a smooth surface. If any uncured gel is left, the powder won't adhere well to it nicely, so it's important to do so after applying the non-wipe top coat. After spreading it evenly, cure it. Now, let's rub on the Aurora powder. For this tutorial, we're using this purple Aurora powder that's different color from the base. You can apply it directly to your finger and rub it in, or use an eyeshadow applicator. Applying a small amount of powder and rubbing it gently will help achieve an even spread. Once you've rubbed on the Aurora powder, use a soft brush to remove any excess powder. Then, to ensure the powder stays in place, we'll apply a coating on top. You can use a clear base coat here rather than a top coat. After applying it all over, cure it. Now let's move on to applying the Aurora film. We'll use this film for this tutorial. The Aurora film have colors like yellow and green, even though the colors can change when it catches the light. When creating Aurora nails, applying a film that shines in a different color from the base color enhances the Aurora effect. So keep that in mind when choosing colors. Since I used a blue base this time, I'll be using this greenish reflecting film. Start by cutting the film to fit your nail shape, leaving about 5 mm of space around the edges rather than cutting it to your exact size. After cutting it, round off the corners. The film preparation is complete now. Next, let's stick the film to the nails. Use a clear gel like base gel and apply it onto the cut Aurora film. Since it's challenging to apply it while holding it, you can stick to a tip stand or similar and then apply the gel. Apply a slightly larger amount than what you'd apply to a single finger. After applying gel to the film, pick it up with tweezers and place it in the center of the nail. At this point, the gel will only be under the film. If you leave it like this, it will look too bulky. To avoid this, gently press the center of the film with tweezers, allowing the gel to spread outward from around the film. This ensures the film has adhered. During this process, some gel may leak from around the film. So use a brush to push the gel towards the outer edges. If the film gets wrinkled, it will lose its shine. So the key is to apply it flat to avoid wrinkles. Once you've smoothed the gel around the film, cure it. Next, coat the film with clear gel. Since the film is currently flat on top, apply gel to shape it to your nail's curve. Apply a thin layer around the film and a thicker layer on top. This prevents it from looking too bulky. After finishing the application, flip your hand over and wait for 5 to 10 seconds. When you return your hand, check the nail from the side. You should see a smooth natural curve that's been created by gravity. Once you've checked that, you can cure it. Once cured, recheck the nail shape. If the curve doesn't match your natural nail's curve, you'll need to refine the shape by filing. First, dampen a piece of kitchen paper with ethanol and wipe off any sticky uncured gel. Then, use a nail file to smooth out any uneven areas, ensuring a natural curve by moving the file in a circular motion relative to your nail. This will create beautiful curve naturally. Once you've removed the uneven parts with the file, wipe away the dust with kitchen paper soaked in ethanol. After clearing away the dust, apply a no-wipe top coat. Since we are embedding the film flat, the gel can appear somewhat thick. To avoid this as much as possible, apply the gel as thinly as possible except when applying the film. After applying it all over, cure it. Next, we will rub on another layer of Aurora powder. This additional layer of powder over the film brings the film and the overall nail design together. If you want the shimmer from the film to stand out more, you can skip this step and consider the nails complete. After rubbing on the powder, apply a final layer of the non-wipe top coat. After applying it all over, cure it. And that's it. How did you find the process of creating Aurora nails? To maximize the shine from the Aurora film, the key is to ensure the film is completely flat when sticking on. Also, to avoid a bulky appearance, apply the gel thinly around the film and use a nail file to achieve a natural look, so I encourage you all to give it a go. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.